sort of set up why we're here. What is unique about HP within the market right now? And I think there are a couple of things. First thing is, we all kind of face some of the same challenges. Global digital information right now continues to double about every 18 months, which is pretty extraordinary. It means that we're under this gigantic strain to always keep up with new demands. But the other problem is we're all dealing with the high cost of maintaining aging infrastructures, which means that if we're going to deal with all this new information that keeps flooding in, we've got to be able to do more with what we've already got. We can't just scrap everything and buy new. So that's where HP really comes into play. We've got the breadth of innovation, the depth of expertise to give you your IT results now. We want to make sure you're prepped for what's coming down the line. So we're going to help you do a few things. Convert your infrastructure so you can increase utilization, productivity, flexibility, accelerate your business results from your Oracle applications, databases, and middleware. Then we're going to take a look at modernization, because that means higher performance, better energy efficiency, better security. And then we're going to help you improve your administrative efficiency. This way you can reduce your costs, your risks of deployment. You can accelerate your time to upgrade. We got a lot to cover in just a few minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Do me a favor, follow me this way if you would. Okay, so we're going to start by spotlighting performance-enhancing storage and server solutions. We're drowning in data. That's all there is to it. So there's a lot of benefits if you use HP StorageWorks solutions for Oracle. And this is whether you are looking for disk, direct attach, or file-based storage, blades, virtualization capabilities, help with resource management, compliance, business intelligence, doesn't matter. HP has got easy-to-install solutions. Every one of them is tested and configured to optimize the performance of Oracle for you. And we've got them all available in the demo back over here on this side. Now, we've also got our HP Unified Storage Server over here. We're running it on our left-hand P4000 SAN. It helps you virtualize your storage environment. So you can come on back when we're done and check this out. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side of this desk. We can go either way, but I'll meet you guys around the other side. We'll keep rolling. All right, next up, this is the new HP ProLiant DL785G6 server. This features the latest 6-core AMD Opteron processors. This has got a really nice balanced architecture. We've got plenty of I/O lanes, lots of memory. So this server handles scale-up database deployments, and it does it at a really nice total cost of ownership. So if you consolidate your database instances on this server, you end up improving utilization. It helps you reduce your server and your data sprawl. You minimize energy use. You also get our ProLiant easy-to-use management tools and options, which are a really nice unit. All right, now we're going to head right over here to this corner. We'll look at these three demos right on the corner of the desk. Over here, we are talking about our assessment services and tools. Now, if you come back here, our experts can give you an online assessment, or we can sign you up for an on-site assessment. Now, either way, if you sign up for an assessment while you're here this week, we're going to enroll you into a drawing for a daily $500 HP gift card giveaway. So we'll come back to this. Also, for each assessment we sign up, we're going to donate $10 to Feeding America in your name, helping out America's food banks. So give it a shot. What's great about assessments, we can evaluate the effectiveness of your current data center operations as compared to others in the industry, which can be kind of scary. But it gives you a great picture of where you stand currently. From there, we can help you develop strategies to migrate to new Oracle solutions, new data center technologies. But we want to improve your return on investment. We want to improve your competitiveness. A lot of the tools you'll find here are totally free to our HP customers. Some of them are even web-based. Really nice use of your time over here, especially for your IT managers. Okay, let's head around this way. Now we're going to take a look at this entire wall, so let's squeeze on in wherever you find a spot. We'll all gather in here together. Okay, so let's start back over here. This station is talking about our HP Business Intelligence Consulting and Technologies for Oracle. So we're helping you productively manage your most challenging BI requirements over here. Our BI offerings, they're going to bring you new levels of analytics, new levels of information delivery for your business. This big guy back over here is Don, and he's kind of the go-to if you come on back in this area. Then next up here, we've got our HP UX database and middleware network. This is based on all our investments in new dedicated middleware and database expertise on HP UX. So if you come back here, we can help you reduce the amount of time that your team spends on managing and supporting these kinds of applications. And instead, use that time to really focus in on your business. That's where the focus has got to be. This demo will show you how to do it. Then over here on this side, we've got a demo that's talking about the benefits of running Oracle applications on HP platforms. These solutions help you reduce IT costs, increase your competitive advantage, and this is whether you're implementing a solution-focused or an industry-focused or an enterprise-wide enterprise application. Doesn't matter. This is where the power of HP comes in. With HP, you've got all of our leadership, all of our customer and partner program strength. This is that depth and breadth of experience that I was talking about up front that will come into play. Okay, now down here on the end, we're featuring HP and Oracle mid-market solutions. So here you'll find our HP reference architectures for Oracle. These are best practice recommendations that help you eliminate a lot of the guesswork. They help you eliminate a lot of complexity, so this way you can get directly to the benefits. We'll use our HP reference architectures for Oracle to find the best possible database foundation for your business. Now, another great thing here, we can tell you about industry-specific solutions that we offer along with our partners through the Oracle Accelerate for Mid-Sized Companies program. If you don't know about this, great program. I hope you'll come back over here and take a peek at it, learn more. Okay, follow me on around the corner. We're going to keep going. This is the Macy's section of the booth right over here on this side. This is where we do all of our clothing folding. We're excited about that. Okay, come on in. We're going to focus on these two demos over here on this side now. We'll start right over here on this side. It's one of my favorite demos. Technology is now driving more than 90% of all enterprise business processes. What that means is your network has now become so critical to the overall success of your company. On this demo here, we're showing how HP ProCurve networking is giving you secure, scalable, adaptive networking solutions. So they include, for example, energy-efficient front-to-back port switches, network provision tools. Can help you automate your enterprise data center to meet your needs today, but also moving into the future. And I think the future focus is so vital. Now, right next door up here, we're showing the latest HP converged infrastructure technologies integrated with Oracle's grid architecture. It's a great demo. There's a lot going on here on the stand, but you can learn how the HP Blade System Matrix with Virtual Connect Flex 10 can seriously cut your server networking costs, cut your power consumption. We can show you how HP's Enterprise Virtual Array 4400 can reduce your administrative costs. We're looking at how HP has made network-attached storage a viable option for large Oracle customers with our HP Scalable NAS 4400. A lot going on here. But fundamentally, what you get off this demo is how our HP technologies, using RAC and Application Clusters, are helping you get the most out of Oracle Grid. And that's important. A lot of people do not use Grid to its fullest capability. This demo over here can help you change that. We'll get the max out of your Grid. Okay, I'm going to head straight through to the middle. We're going to go to those two big monitors back over here on this side. So follow me on through and we'll go to the next stage. Okay. And now we'll take a look over here. This area is all about HP Enterprise Services. And we're talking here about enterprise application capabilities for Oracle. So this includes services for applications management, implementation, hosting. We've got solutions for SOA, composite apps, portal services. We can also talk to you about our industry-specific offerings for identity management, for tax services, for finance services. A lot going on here too. So all of these comprehensive capabilities, they're set to help you, to help your business realize measurable, tangible results. Now, right next door over here on this demo, we offer what we call our ERP Optimization Assessment. If you take this assessment, you can see how HP Enterprise Services is helping organizations to get much higher operational excellence through your Oracle applications. It's a nice capability. It really, again, shows you where you stand right now. Okay, we're going to head around to the corner this way. We can group around these demos over here.